Hey YouTube, it's Angelina here with the Hair Lounge. I wanted to hop on here and give you guys an updated look of how my hair has looked with that Maria Nilla Color Refresher Pink Pop. If you enjoy learning about hair, click the subscribe button and the bell to get notified for all my new videos. It's been probably almost 3 weeks. It'll be 3 weeks tomorrow of when I first did the pink on my ends. I probably have washed my hair roughly 2-3 times a week, depending obviously how my week is gone. And I did all the wrong things purposely. I made sure I washed my hair in very hot water. I used a professional shampoo and conditioner, but not one that is color safe. And I did not use any heat protectant, any leave-in, anything that's going to kind of protect my hair from my hot tools. And the reason I did this is I wanted to see how long it would last in my hair if I wasn't doing all the correct things. As you can see, let me see if I can get a little closer, I have just a tiny faint amount of the pink left on my ends. Just a tiny, tiny bit. I know probably the next time I wash it, you may barely be able to see it. So I wanted to hop on here and show you that even with doing all of the wrong things of not protecting my color, it's lasted almost 3 weeks exactly. So the reason why I tried all the bad things, that way, if you want it to last a little bit longer in your hair, rinse it with that cool water. Use a sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner and protect your ends. Use your thermal protecting spray, use a leave-in spray to protect from those hot tools and from the sun, and it should last a little longer in your hair than those 3 weeks. I would say I maybe washed my hair a total of maybe 7-8 times. On the packaging, it says that it should last between 5 to 10 shampoos. So that's probably about right. But like I said, I did all the wrong things. So if you want it to last a little bit longer in your hair, do all the things that I didn't do. I hope this gave you guys a little insight of how it will do on your hair if you decide to try that Maria Nilla Color Refresher Pink Pop. We'll see you guys later. Bye.